Welcome to the second Flowlens MRP and CRM software system quick start tutorial, importing customers and suppliers. In Flowlens, customers and suppliers are collectively known as companies. A company must be categorized as either a customer, supplier or both in order to sell to or buy from in the Flowlens MRP system and manufacturing CRM. Flowlens allows you to bulk import your customers and suppliers with a ready-to-use downloadable template, which includes instructions to make sure you get it right. If you are integrating with Sage Line 50, your customers and suppliers can be brought across as part of the integration process. Customer and supplier data imports use the same template, but will need to be imported separately. Let's download the template by clicking Data Imports, Companies and Companies Template. Locate the template and instructions in the Downloads folder on your computer. Open both files. The instructions file gives you important information on which fields are required for a successful import. It also shows you the available options to use for configurable fields such as currencies, payment terms, and nominal accounts. Don't forget to save the template as a CSV file type, ensuring you can tell the difference between your customers and suppliers. Now let's import the data into Flowlens. Select I've used this template, choose the file, select the CSV import. Now select either customer or supplier and proceed with the import. Flowlens will send you an email to let you know if the import was successful, or if it fails, which line to look for an error. Most errors occur when the imported data doesn't match up with the options you've created in the various settings pages. Please note the company's import can only be used once. Re-importing the same company names will create duplicate records in Flowlens. Any duplicate records need to be individually archived. Now let's see what you've added in the Flowlens CRM. Once you've imported your customers and suppliers, you're ready for the next quick start tutorial, importing parts.